how to download and install TikTok Lite app on your mobile device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the TikTok Lite app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So for that, you need to first open Google Play Store on your mobile device. After opening up the app, you have to tap on the search bar and search for TikTok Lite. TikTok Lite is a different app where you can explore the videos just like in TikTok, but it's way different than TikTok app. The TikTok Lite app is just for 10 MB, where the TikTok app has got 50 plus MB, which can take a more storage on your device. So for installing, you have to simply tap on install option over here and it will start it to download. It will take a few seconds to minutes depending upon your internet connection. You can see the app is being installing. From over here you can create videos and send messages to your friends and all. So by following this simple step, you can download and install TikTok Lite app on your device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.